Alright, hi and welcome back to our 15th video again. The other one didn't have sound, so we're redoing it, and I learned a few other things or remembered a few other things, so we're going to do it with some differences now. Yeah, let's get started for the 52-week Blender Challenge. Let's delete this. We're going to create the body of the ring, Shift A. We're going to cylinder, and then we're going to add, press 7 first. Shift D, add another one, S, bring it. We're going to make the thickness like that. It's not bad. SC, and then we're going to boolean out of this just to make the process a little faster. Remember, it's always better to do it faster if there's shortcuts, because I'm sure someone already dealt with this. So learn from them. RX 90. All right, let's edit. Control R. We're going to split this in two here. We're going to do the same thing to the inside, and then we are going to move this into like a Y area kind of thing. Sorry, into a Y shape. So we need to S. But we're trying on SY, like that, SY, because we want to keep the shape overall. SY, SY. That's pretty good. Okay, see, the ring shape's still pretty good. Let's get out of this. We're going to add some more geometry to this, but first in the inside, what we want is to make this a little hollow. So go to face, select, and then press these three faces, then these three, and then Shift Control plus plus. That does not work. Then select this one, Shift Control plus, and go all around. There used to be like, so like, let's say you select this one first and then went to this one and double clicked. There was a gesture that selected everything for you, but I'm not sure. Sometimes it doesn't work if you add the mesh tool, or extra object add-on. So just take that into consideration. All right. Let's select everything else. We're going to do this to this. Then same thing here. All right. Then just about that much. And then we're going to extrude along the normals. Oh, bevel. Alright, sorry. Extrude along normals. Back, but just very, very, very small. We just want a small indent, so it looks like it has depth. And then for the sides here, we want that. Control R, that, or this. We're gonna do something similar. Press 7, and this is where the shape of the emerald or diamond is gonna go. So like that. All right. Press first, then SC 0. Sweet. Now we get that nice ring shape. GC. Bring it up. And we want to put the what is called the jewel here. So press 7 again, and we are going to make it right here. Triangle, and we're just going to select all of these. Okay. This is going to be right click, loop tools, circle, press 7, S, let's make it smaller like that, or just about that much. Then SY, like this. That's pretty good. Then go back to vertex mode here, or go to vertex mode and do GC. But we want to do proportional editing and we want to do X-ray mode. So press 3. And we gotta watch out that this going down isn't affecting all of this. So what we can do is H. Right. We also want the outer edges to stay the same. So press C. All right, and then H there. One thing here I did not notice, but it's kind of cutting off here. So screen keys, let's see, font size, offset. Let's move it a little over here. All right, that should be good. Now let's press 3 and let's do proportional editing, GC. We don't want it 2. All right, that's pretty good. All right, then press Alt H to bring everything back. Press 3. See, and it doesn't really mess things up too much. Right there. Take off portrait editing, GC, just a little bit. All right, good. Let's see. We are gonna do face mode and select everything here where the emerald should be. Okay. Then Shift D, escape, and then P by loose parts, tab edit mode, select this, tab, select A, 3, X-ray, actually let's get rid of the ring part, and then E, like that, S, C, nope, okay, go to X-ray mode for this, go to vertex mode, like that, go to, and then move things up like this, but do with proportional editing, GC. All right, so everything here should go up to GC. All right, GC. Oh. All right, that's a pretty good shape. Then press tab. We're gonna add a material to this. New, we're just gonna make it like a glass, and I gotta give it a second. Unfortunately, my blender or my computer isn't too good. What do you call it? It's a laptop, but it's pretty decent though. So I'm not sure why. Maybe I need to clear out cache, or it's just the awesomeness that is Chrome sometimes eating up things in the background. All right, material, go to glass, and then bring back the ring. Let's actually ring and gem. All right, sweet. X-ray mode off here. See, what we don't like is this right here. So go back to edit mode, press 3, select this, and GC, go down. Oh, X-ray mode first. Very, very small here. All right, that's good. Shade, that looks fairly nice, I guess. And then let's add a material here. We're gonna add like a brownish, dark orangey gold. Let's make this metallic. Roughness decreases. All right, and let's see, shin. We'll make it a little shiny. I think that's what that does. Or is it clear coat? Nope, definitely not clear coat. All right, don't mess with transmission there. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, better. And then this, what can we do here? Let's make it like a glassy. Ooh, that is pretty. I like that. Okay. And then we can do some extra work here. So tab edit mode, and we're gonna select these faces. So select this. We're just gonna go with the body. So Shift plus. All right, and then we're gonna do the same thing. Actually, yeah, okay, that's not too bad. All right, and then all right, and then extrude along the normals here. Make it look a little fancier and do some beveling. That looks nice, nice. All right. There's our ring for us. It's pretty simple, but not too bad. Press 7 here, press 3. Hope you like it. Until next time. And this has audio, so best of luck out there.